So after connection, you have to use your multimeter to be sure that your connection is right, because if you feed the inverter with the wrong voltage, you're probably going to spoil the inverter. So that's why at every point in time after doing your connection, you have to use your meter, test meter, to check your multimeter to check that the voltage you are feeding the inverter is the right voltage. So I told you that this is a 24-volt inverter. So when I'll check it, so my meter is showing me 24.5. So this voltage will be very much okay for the inverter. Very much okay for the inverter. So as I told you, just take a 10 mm wire. This is two batteries. Connect one end, the positive end of one battery to the negative end of the other battery. Then the two remaining terminals will now be plus and minus. So make sure that you identify the negative and the positive correctly so that you feed the inverter rightly. So don't make any mistake in trying to do this connection, trying to feed your inverter. So because the inverter is sensitive, any mistake can cause problem for the inverter. So join me as I do the connection of the inverter. Connecting. So I've just connected the positive terminal of the battery. Make sure you tight it very well so that there won't be anything like loose contact. Tight it very well. So I've just connected the positive end of the battery. So I'm now going to connect the positive end. So this is the battery, and this is then this wire is the battery wire connected to the charge controller for solar charging. So that's what we are going to do now.